In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove background noise in Descript. So let's get started. So first is that you want to go log in into your account here in Descript.com, and from here you want to go for a new project or into a project that you'd want to remove background noise in. So you want to make sure that you open up that project. In my case, I'll just go for a new video project, and then I'm just gonna add in my sample in here. I'm just gonna drag my file in here. You could also just click on the upload files to scan your storage, and then you just need to select your footage that you want to upload. But in my case, I'm fine with this one. So for this one, I'm gonna click here on done. So basically, once you're in here in your project, you just want to go for that video, click on that, and then basically you want to go here into Underlord section. And this is basically their AI task manager type of thing. And then once you're here, is that you want to go here into Studio Sound. Once you click on that, you will now be prompted in here. And then you can see this loading bar, and it says that it's now applying the Studio Sound or audio leveling in progress. You just need to wait for that to say that it's finished. And then after that, you'd now be able to remove the background noise on your audio. So first, let me just deactivate the studio sound just so that you'd be able to hear what it sounds like without a background noise removal. Hi, this is my sample background noise removal in Descript. So that's it. So there is some clapping sounds in the background that I have generated just so that there would be some background noise, because I already have a pretty quiet environment, so there's not a lot of background noise in here. So now let me just activate the studio sound and let's hear how much of a difference it is. So I'm gonna play it now. Hi, this is my sample background noise removal in Descript. So as you have heard, it is now much more cleaner. There are still some of it because the background noise that I generated is quite loud. In that case, you can click here on effect settings and you can set the intensity to max. So that is actually already the max, and I think that is already much cleaner compared to the raw version. So yeah, this is how you can remove background noise in Descript. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.